Alright, we're here in American Honda and kakatapos lang ng event. Grabe. The event was all about bikes, cars, coffee, and then lahat ng mga exotic bikes, race bikes,
mini
cars
bike,
mini
small
bikes.
bike, yeah.
So, and isa dun sa mga nag-display is a Filipino, si Geng, and I'm proud. He's also one of my former students, alumni, kumbaga, sa dirt bike riding, and we ride in, So, Geng, how did it start ba na nakahiligan mo yung pagmumotor?
Actually, bata pa ako, elementary or kasi tinatakas namin yung motorcycle ng uncle ko. The task and the Fuji. And then later on, tinatakas namin yung yung Suzuki TS125.
Oh yeah. Dirt bike yun,
Yeah, the dirt bike.
Dual sport bike yun.
Yeah, no, it's high. And I know it's not a 25, it's a 185.
185.
Yeah, imagine
two-stroke.
Yeah, two-stroke. Me and my cousin and Purlakan. So we go to the Manila and go around the place, like something like we go sightseeing in Armida or Lanera. Yeah, and our helmet is so big and maluag when you already see on left and right, but the helmet is still on it not moving. Simula kami doon hanggang sa nagkaroon kami ng mga mini trail or something na Honda mini trail. Yeah, so doon ako natutong mag-aral-aral ng problem ng mga motorcycle.
Alright, Geng. You are one gifted in sa pag-aayos ng bike. Kaya thanks for being part of the team. Team MX Messiah helping me out with the bikes and all. Pero Geng, did you find it really interesting yung motor para na-enjoy mo siya? Kakalas ka ng makina, papalit. Yung Aprilia mo na big bike, pinalitan mo ng what, third gear?
Yeah, sumabog yung transmission niya, pinalitan ko ng
grabe,
they're overheating and they changed the...
Hindi siya madali.
Yeah.
Enjoy mo yung pag-aayos ng bike talaga?
Yeah, it was my passion. As a kid, I got a lot of posters on my room and motorbike here, dirt bike here, super bike here, everywhere.
Alright, you are a family of riders. Si Pressy, your wife, rides also.
Yes.
Your son, John, and he's working in Chaparral.
Yeah.
The biggest, what?
Yeah.
OG. Motorcycle dealership in America, in SoCal.
Yeah, he's hired by Chaparral for at least more than a month now. But my son is still studying in the Fullerton State.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah,
Thanks for bringing us here to American Honda. Yep. Keep your passion for motorcycles.
Yeah.
For riding. Yep.
Okay, thank you, Sam, and for MX family. Thank you.